Okay, I got my high-speed gears in finally. I've got them on here, and they're quite a bit smaller. The big gear's smaller than the original gear, so you know it's going to make a difference. And here's the smaller gear. I've already got the bearings pressed on here, and the thing you want to watch out for, like I put in my comments on the first video, was the shifter shaft rod that sticks up through here and goes into the case on this hole right here, and there's a bolt that goes in on the outside that faces down. There is a spring, a bolt goes in the outside of it right here, and there's a spring and a ball that goes inside there. Get it out, fish it out of here. But this is the spring and the ball, and you want to make sure they come out here through the hole. If you don't get it out, the spring will be stuck in there, and then the little ball will fall down inside where your gears and stuff here are, if you don't take them out before you split the case. So just make sure and take that out. Then I just use some Permatex sealant and go around the outside of it to seal it when you put the case halves back together. And the bearings, they just tap on there. You can use a rubber mallet or whatever and tap your bearings back on. But that's how it goes. We'll see how it works when I put it back together. Thanks for watching.